How to sign in to settle up account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign in to your settle up account. To do so, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open your settle up application on your mobile device, and here in this interface, you'll be able to find sign in options. From here, you will need to select one of these based on your preference and based on what you have used in order to create your account on it. Here I'm going to use the sign in with email option at the very bottom. Simply tap on this option and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to enter your email address associated to your account. Simply tap on this email box and enter your email. After entering the email address, tap on the next button just below it. After that, here you will be prompted to enter your password. Simply tap on this password box and there enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. After entering your password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side of it to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your password or you are facing trouble to sign into your account, then you may tap on this trouble signing in link just below the password field, and from there you will need to follow the on-screen prompts and instructions in order to reset or recover your password. And once after recovering it, you will need to enter a new password in this field and then tap on the sign in button. After doing that, you will need to wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully been logged into your account now. So this is how you can log into your settle up account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.